Tucker.
What's Daddy doing?
What's Dad doing? What's he doing to the fish?
He's cutting it.
Is it icky?
Icky. Icky. Oh, God. My hands got get dirty, Dad.
Yep. Gotta take out all the eggs so we can fry them up.
Yeah, frying up.
Are you gonna eat them?
No.
Oh, they're for the kitty.
For kitty.
Yep, they're for the kitty.
Yeah. Yeah, for kitty. Kitty.
Yeah.
Kitty. No kitty. Kitty cat.
Is the fish moving anymore, Tuck?
No.
How come?
No.
How come?
Because he's
He's dead?
dead. Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, I can hear the fish.
that's okay.
It's yucky.
Yeah.
You're too rich.
No. Daddy'll throw it in the garbage.
That's for the garbage.
Yeah.